D&D private organization.
Or is this Dan and Dan?
Yeah, this is D&D.
Oh, gee, am I glad to be talking to you. I hear you're the go-to about my lack of space problems.
Yeah, that's right, dame. But I don't got time for bumping gums. What's it to you?
Well, I did like you had said and I purged, but I still don't have enough space. I need your help.
Okay, doll. I'm on my way. Hey, dame, you in here?
You breaking and entering, you know?
Sorry about the pot.
No. Come in.
Well,
So, what's the girl gotta do to get organized?
you gotta get fed up. You gotta purge, make a plan, and execute it.
No. I am. See? But that's why I called you. I don't know what happened.
A blind man with a bat tied to the back of him could tell what happened in here. It's a case of misorganization.
I didn't do it.
This kicks up.
What are you gonna do? Organize me?
You're damn straight I am. We're starting in there. See, this is your problem right here. You gotta make better use of your vertical storage.
What, Dan? You know I don't know what vertical is.
It's your top to bottom.
Oh.
We'll do that by hanging and folding in the closet.
In the closet?
In the closet.
In the closet?
In the closet. Next, we'll get these drawers squared up with these. I know, they do one hell of a job and only for a few Lincolns.
Please, Dan. Not my intimates.
I'll let you do those yourself. Lastly, we have to do something about those shoes. In this case, it was best to stack them so we could double your room.
Oh, good. Because I couldn't have bear to part with them all.
Well, that's it, sweet cakes.
You mean, you leaving me?
Pull yourself together. You got it from here.
But how am I to keep it together?
The trick is in the fold. Make it neat and tight. Folding in thirds or fourths is best.
You mean, that's it? That's all I gotta do? It's that easy?
Yeah, and read this book. It will help.
Oh, Dan, you know they don't let us read in black and whites.
I say to hell with those crumbs. Kibosh it.
Oh, Dan, you're the best.
I'm making tracks. I'll be seeing you.
Oh my goodness.
You can't make me laugh.
Get the laughs out. Get them all out. So get your laugh out too.
Oh shit.
Wait, she's not ready.
My boob was out.
There's a different video in it.
I know. I'm like, this is not for skipping out.
Alright.
Ready?
That's right, dame. But I don't got time for bumping gums.
Well, I did like you had said and purged, but I still don't have enough space.
No, one more time.
I need. Oh,
I watched it. As I stand in the 90s.
as you're in your Instagram.
Yes. Oh, shit. I'm sorry.
I'm like,
I completely blanked out. Okay.
I know. Shit. I don't know.
yeah.
See, this is your problem right here. You gotta make better use of your vertical stuff. Ah, shit. Sorry. I didn't mean to swear at you.